but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be.
வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி இன்றைக்கி நம்ம போகிறோம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தென் பாய்சான் ஈக்குவேஷன் தான். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம வந்து இதுக்கான மெட்டீரியல் வந்து நம்ம வாட்ஸ்அப் ப்ளஸ் டெலகிராம் சேனல்லையும் நம்ம பிடிஎஃபாக போட்டிருக்கோம். ஸோ நிறைய பேர் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, நிறைய பேர் ஆன்சர் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கான ஆன்சர் தான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக டுடே we discuss about the topic then Poisson equation. So we are all familiar with that Poisson equation. So the Poisson equation most important. So இதெல்லாம் क्वेश्चन பேப்பரே இருக்காது. For last 4 to 5 years நீங்க PGTRB क्वेश्चन பேப்பர் எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ டெஃபினட்டாக Poisson equation வந்து உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அப்போ how to derive Poisson equation? So the differential form of Gauss divergence theorem, then del dot d is equal to, that should be a rho, then d can be written as d is equal to epsilon e. Now we have to replace this one. Now del dot d is equal to, that should be a rho by epsilon naught. So this is equation number 1. So from electrostatics we have to take that E is equal to minus gradient phi. Okay, this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we have to solve, we have to get then del square phi is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught, or sometimes minus 4 pi rho. Okay, so in charge free region if rho is equal to 0 now, then del square pi which is equal to 0. This is the Laplacian equation. So that is most important. Now finally we have then del square pi which is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught, or 4 pi rho minus, which is called as Poisson equation. If it is charge free region, if rho is equal to 0 now, then del square rho is equal to 0, which is called as Laplacian equation. So this is the basics. So there is a problem கேட்கலாம், நிறைய boundary condition we have to apply by using this Poisson and Laplace equation. So these are all the basics things we have to know that. So we move to the today MCQ. So already we have to given that this question, the force between the two charges in a medium which is called as the lesser than in a vacuum, that should be answer will be A. So the SI unit of charge is, that should be a coulomb. So idume we have to familiar with what is by a coulomb. Then F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. So epsilon value another 8.84 into 10 power 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. So இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கண்டிப்பா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். So this is the constant value. Then k is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. So these are all the important. So எங்கெல்லாம் நமக்கு வருதோ அங்கெல்லாம் என்னென்ன பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வருமோ நம்ம ரீகால் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, குட். So the Poisson equation is given by, so from that definition itself there should be a Poisson equation. Then del square b is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught. Idu marakave koodadhu. Okay, kandipa these are the most important. So this is the condition for Poisson equation from question number 33. So when charge density rho is 0, then Poisson equation became reduced to which one is Laplacian equation. That is the important. So then del square rho which is del square pi then rho by epsilon naught. If rho is equal to 0 now, then del square pi which is equal to 0. It becomes Laplace equation. Okay. So I have to give the definition from the introduction itself. But what is the correct answer? The correct answer will be A. So this is most important. So then Poisson equation is valid. So it should be easy question. It should be valid for only electrostatics. Then yes equal to. Sometimes either choose பண்ணுவாங்க that it should be a wrong. Then Poisson equation is valid for electrostatic only. So the general solution of Poisson equation depends on charge distribution correct, then boundary condition correct, then coordination system correct. So all the above. Sorry, DD. The correct answer will be for D. So in which coordinate system is Poisson equation written as? Which one is? There should be a Cartesian, cylindrical or spherical or parabola. There should be a way out to write it down only the spherical. C. So if the charge density is a function of position with respect to Cartesian coordinate x, y, z, then Poisson equation becomes so inga enna kuduthirukanga. So inga from that equation del square rho by minus rho by epsilon naught. Inga vande we have to give x, y, z. Appo the option will be A. Sometimes idu mari kepanga confusion pandradhuka. Okay, so we have to careful in this that. So partially recall pannidindala we have to answer it easily. Okay, no problem. And which of the following is not? That is the important. And which of the following is not a solution to the Laplace equation del square v is equal to 0? The correct answer will be B. So C, which is not? C vandu varadhu Laplace equation la. So that's why with edhiliyum C irukadhu. Okay. So here we go to not. Appo this one is correct. So the last question of today MCQ from Poisson equation, the potential inside already na nariya thada solliruken. So conducting sphere vandala enadhu, it should be a 0 or sometimes constant. 0 kuduthirukkom, constant idile eduvume rendu question me kuduthirukanga. So 0 um right dhaan, constant kuduthiranga. But sometimes idu mari vandichina we have to choose constant B. So the potential inside a charge conducting sphere nale, and before that 0 nu sollirukom. But sometimes option la 0 constant rendume vanda we have to choose constant. Okay, I hope this video is useful for everyone who are all preparing the PGTRB exams. So marakama indha video like pannunga, so unga friend ku share pannunga nanbargalai. So adhe mari ella unit material available irukku. So sample na anchiruken from WhatsApp and Telegram liyum. ஸோ பார்த்துட்டு வேணுன்ற நண்பர்கள் மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்கள் இல்லை கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.